Most Phoenix car accident lawyers, most Arizona car accident lawyers are Trump lovers. Let me explain. My name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer. I was formerly the vice president of the vice chair of the Arizona Democratic Party in 2020. I am the first Black man to serve on an Arizona governor's transition team with Governor Katie Hobbs. I ran for Congress as a Democrat in Arizona's former 6th congressional district in 2018. And I know the demographics of Arizona. I've seen the donor stats of the personal injury bar here in Arizona. I have seen the demographic makeup of those lawyers, and they are Trump lovers, right? Let me get into the psychosis of a personal injury lawyer, right? We are called ambulance chasers, and many of them live up to that misnomer, up to that pejorative term. Many of these successful personal injury lawyers went to terrible law schools, horrendous. There's like maybe 10, 12 of us that went to top 20 law schools that had opportunities to actually do something other than be personal injury lawyers or criminal defense lawyers or bankruptcy lawyers. What's the other one? Some other, gift will and estate lawyers. I was a corporate tax attorney. I worked for Deloitte in Silicon Valley. That was my first job out of law school. Not like many of these other people. I did intellectual property litigation in California's Southern and Central District courts. That's not the case. That's not the case for many or most personal injury lawyers. And they want to be empowered. They have this large amount of money, right? But they're personal injury lawyers. And so they're not viewed on the same as mergers and acquisition attorneys, corporate attorneys, corporate civil attorneys, white collar defense attorneys. They're not viewed as real estate attorneys. They're not firm attorneys. And so one way they can hobnob or be appreciated by the people who work at the big law firms that do the complex type of legal deals, who went to top 20 law schools, top 30 law schools, is to be a Republican here in Arizona, because they have traditionally had the power until 2018, if we're being honest. They want to be in charge. They want to be with Trump. They want to be able to be recognized at the country club. They want to be able to go to the global ambassador and have drinks with other Trump-loving white men. They don't care that even though they make money standing up against the man, they don't really want to support these people. They don't care that Black and brown bodies are in the front line of Trump's cruelty machine. They want to be recognized by other white men who love Trump as being one of them, being good enough. That's the reason so many of them donate to the Republican Party, because they don't want to be with their clients. They actually don't like their clients. They want to be with the rich white men that they aspire to be. If you don't feel that you're getting represented appropriately by your law firm here in Arizona, give me a call. At my law firm, it is your injuries, our fight, your win.